guys, welcome to my channel. It's Rachel. For today's video, this company sent me an email. They want to do collaboration, so they sent me this product and I will be doing unboxing. This brand is called Tivisiy. Probably some of you already heard or seen some of the videos here on YouTube about Tivisiy. So I'll be showing you guys the products that they sent me. If you're watching and haven't heard about Tivisiy, Tivisiy is one-step destination for creative artwork, home decor, gifts, and more that helps anyone, anywhere, brightening daily life. If you want to check their website, they have tons of beautiful home decor and they're handmade. They have 3D wooden carvings. The design is exquisite and unique gifts for your, especially that Mother's Day is coming up next month, so you can give this to your mom, mother-in-law, and to your family and friends, even to yourself. And also each product has a different versions, like they have without light, they also have LED light sound activation, LED light version, they have plus sizes and mega sizes versions. They are suitable for any occasions like home decor, art decoration in cafes and offices, and more. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like and what items I got. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my new uploaded videos. And I do have a coupon code. It's right here. I'll also put the links in the description box, so you better check that out. And now, the first one that I'm going to show you, I have two boxes right here. The first box that I'm going to show you is, it says, Hi Park, and also, how are you? I'm so excited. Their packaging is so neat. And at the back of the packaging, it says, Hi Park, give animals a home. Let's open this. I don't know if it's too dark for you, but let's see. Okay, I'm gonna move back. There it is, and there is a card. It says on the back of the card, who are we? Better planet, better life. But I don't have my glasses, so I can't read it very good. But yeah, that's the back one. I'm going to take this styrofoam. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so pretty. And what is this? Oh, I was fortunate enough to pick 4 items from their website. I picked 2 of their 3D wooden carvings, and the rest, you know, because I love jewelry. You know me, I have a lot of collections of jewelry. It's just fashion jewelry, you know. But anyway, it's probably in this bag, so I'm gonna show it to you guys after I show the 2 boxes. And I got this butterfly, and look at that, how they put you know, some stuff right here. It's pretty neat, guys. I really like how they do that. I picked this one. It's a butterfly. Look. I didn't get the bigger size. This is a butterfly. I don't know if you can see very good, but I really like the details of this. But I'm gonna take it closer so you can see better. I like the looks of it, and also look at this right here. How they, you know, the details of that and how they put them together. It's very interesting. And also the back of this, and it says Hi Park. And yeah, there's a lot of going on inside of this butterfly. So there's flowers right there, and I got the LED light version, and they have this USB that I could just plug it, you know, for the computer, but I'm gonna show it to you later on. If you don't have the USB, you can also use this kind of plug. See that one? And you can just plug that USB. You can just plug this in the outlet. So that's what it looks like. I really like the butterfly too. It's so cute. And the next box, that is same thing. They put, you know, the card and the styrofoam. I picked the wolf. My daughter says she wants the wolf, so I got the wolf. Look, this over here, the details of the wolf. Also, there's a wolf inside. Some trees. It's really neat. It's unique. I never seen like this kind of wooden carvings before. Look at that. And also the back. See? And this one, I also got the LED light version. You can use this as your night light. Like, you had to put it in your bedroom. And you can also put this, like, I was thinking of putting the butterfly on my desk because it's really cute. That's why it looks like it's so beautiful. They have jewelry, so I don't want to pass that. And I got to pick the jewelry. It's in this bag. And it says Tivisiy. I hope I pronounce it right. The third item that I'm going to show you is this earrings. I'm going to take this out of this plastic wrapper, or what do you call this one? Bag, plastic bag. And this is what it looks like. So I'm wearing earrings right now, but I can take my earrings and wear these earrings right here. Ooh. And the other one, there you go. Oh, okay, I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna wear this, you know, till the end of this video. Yes, I love jewelry. And the last one is this little tiny, it's in the little Ziploc. I wear size 6 for the ring. See how cute that is? And I don't know where to put this. Let me take this. I'm gonna take that one. I will try it on this side. Ooh. This one is it's a bumblebee. It's pretty cute, and it's just right. It's not too big and not too tight. And I think you can adjust this one if it's too tight. Oh, there, I drop it. And I can put this in my middle one. You know, you can put it anywhere in your fingers, but I like it right here. Yes, there. So I'm going to show how I turn the butterfly and the wolf. And this one right here is for the light, to turn on or to turn off. I'm gonna turn this on, this butterfly. So right now I have to plug it to the USB. It's already plugged on the computer. It's dark. I can just turn this power. That's good. What the butterfly looks like as soon as I turn this on. Look at that. That is so cute. Turn this power on and power off. On and off. So I'm gonna turn that on for a little bit. And now I'm going to show you the other one. Here is the wolf. Plug that one. Turn this thing, power. So that's it. Just leave a comment if you enjoy this video, guys, and if you have some questions. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Mwah.